Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Harish Kumar and today we are going to talk about very interesting topic, Excel. So we will start with the basics first. So by end of this video you will know how to open Excel and how to enter your own data in a spreadsheet. So let's get started. So first of all, I will talk about what is Excel. So Excel is a software where you can enter and organize your data in a rows and column, making it super easy to keep track of your information. And how to open Excel? So to open the Excel, uh, just go to your start menu and search bar if you are on Windows and type Excel and then click to open it. And third topic is how to enter data in Excel. So once you have Excel open, you will see a grid of small rectangles called cells. Just click on any cell and start typing to enter your data. So this is just Excel and click blank workbook and here it is. And to enter data manually, just type here like name and press enter to down and click here to say like 2018 and for that you can use tab button. So 2019 tab 2020. So you have to use here tab button, and if you want to write down, then you have to enter the enter here. And second is how to fill data in a series. So how to fill data in series is like just create a new workbook, new worksheet and just type in like January, February and 2020 and 2021 and just select these two cells and click here and drag it down, and similarly select these both cells and click here and drag it right. Okay, so this is the basic Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like. Thank you.